What is going on, everyone? Platinum Bees coming at you with yet another video. Today we're going to talk about how the markets have closed way down for the week. I'm going to give my thoughts and opinions on the matter. We're going to talk about platinum first, but we're also going to dive into gold and silver. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so you can see here I have the platinum chart pulled up. This is on Provident Metals website. I like using their chart because it's the most visually appealing to me, but you can use any chart you like. But we're going to go ahead and see what's going on today. So we know that the recent drop in not only precious metals, but also the stock market as a whole, ending the week in a downward turn. Pretty much all investment classes are down in some form or fashion at this point. Now we know that the recent announcement from the Fed and that they say they are not going to raise rates at least for a couple of years has caused individuals to decide to, get out of some of the investments they were in. And so that has dropped the price quite substantially across the board on platinum, gold, and silver. But if we take a look here, we can see that platinum has closed at about 1054.19. So let's take a look, see when the last time we were at that level for platinum. So it looks like 1054. So it looks like right here, March 25th was the last time we were at about that spot price level as far as closing for the day. So April, May, June. So we're at about a 3-month low on platinum. So that's not that bad considering, right? If we go back further, we can see we were much lower in February because February is where it really started to take off. And as we all know, it hit its recent high of 1,300 in mid-February. So we're at a 3-month low for platinum. So I see that as a really good buying opportunity. So if you were thinking about getting into platinum right now, you might want to consider picking some up this weekend as the markets are closed and the price will not move. There's a likelihood that the price could go up starting next week. I personally feel that it may actually do that. I am not 100% sure though. So take that as you will. But if you bought this weekend, you're buying at a fairly decent low and you probably will be all right even if it goes down a little bit lower, because there's a lot of people who bought back about a week or two or more ago and are down quite substantially on their initial investment. Now we all know that stacking precious metals as a whole is a long-term game, but platinum is at a sweet spot right now if you were thinking about purchasing. We're going to go ahead and take a look at gold, which also got clobbered this past week as well. And funny enough, we saw platinum on a downward turn, but we didn't see that for gold and silver. Gold and silver really just dropped off the ledge very recently and very quickly, a lot quicker than platinum. It's interesting to see the differences in their overall movements. Now gold has closed at 1771.09. Let's take a look at the last time it was at that level, shall we? And we are looking at 1771. So it looks like about early April, it was that low. So we saw that number more recently in the gold realm. So platinum it hasn't been this low for quite some time. Gold, on the other hand, has about a month in advance. So we're looking at about a 2-month low for gold. So gold is low, right? It's low from where it was floating at 1900 for a few weeks there, but it's not quite that low. So I personally see platinum as being a better buy, being that it's been longer amount of time, even just by a month, yes, that we have seen these numbers. Interestingly enough, and I hadn't realized this, but gold was actually down to 1685 in late March, which is crazy. So it was really high valued in the past few weeks if you really want to look at it. It also was at 1684 in early March. So March was not a very good month. I guess that was 1 year since the crash, so to speak. And it's interesting how in March was not a good year for gold, or a good month for gold at the very least, but it was a good month for buying. And as we can see here, it's closed at 1771. So we mentioned that April was the last time we saw those levels. And if we go back further, February, it was floating around 1770 something or another as well. So it's definitely interesting stuff to look at. As far as the 1 month chart, we are definitely at a low for the month, right? Same thing for platinum. We have just seen it slowly go down week by week, and this week was treacherous, to say the least. But let's go ahead and take a look at silver as well. And again, same kind of trend here, just fell right off the cliff right there at the end. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 year chart. We're looking at 25.90 for the close of silver. So we're back in the 25s, which is great for buying. I actually have seen some silver that is able to be purchased below $30 an ounce, which is not bad in my opinion, right? And so if you were looking at buying some silver, try to get some of that sub 30 silver. The premiums are still high and I don't really like them. However, buying it below 30 bucks is pretty solid. We haven't seen that in a little while. But let's take a look and see when the last time silver was at 25.90. And it looks like we're looking at April 30. So again, we're looking at about a 2 month, not even quite 2 month, being April 30, about a month and a half since it's been at this level. Same thing with gold was April. However, with platinum, it's March. So obviously I'm the platinum beast. And obviously I always suggest you do what is best for you. However, platinum being at a low we have not seen since March, and gold and silver only being at a low we haven't seen since April, I would say platinum is the more undervalued metal at the current time. If we see the metals go back up, which I presume we will, hopefully, chances are platinum might be your best profiter, so to speak. You might be able to make the most profit off buying platinum right now, right? I say that, and I say that with my own thoughts and feelings about things. You may think differently, and that is okay. And I always, again, suggest you do your own research and you come to your own conclusions about what is best for you personally. But with that being said, I do suggest platinum. I'm the platinum beast. You can say I'm biased. That may be, but I also just am sharing what I'm feeling. If I thought gold was a better buy, I would admit that. If I thought silver was a better buy, I would admit that. But you all know my thoughts and feelings revolving around silver's premium at the current time. So I'm probably not going to pick silver, right? But this weekend, I might look at buying some platinum, and I might look at buying platinum over gold. Or if I was buying both, I might string heavily towards platinum, or more heavily towards platinum than I might gold. But that's just my thoughts and opinions, and I just wanted to share them with you all today. I'm also going to show you somewhere where you can find some really good deals on platinum right now. So if you were thinking about buying, definitely go over there and check out Silver Gold Bull. I will be linking their website in the description down below. But I just want to show you a few pieces here. As we can see here, 1 ounce random platinum, your maple leafs are $11.65 with a $10 off instant coupon. So that's instant $10 off. So that's actually going to be $11.55 per ounce. More if you buy more quantity, obviously. And if we get down here, we can see the Platinum Kangaroo is $11.71 with a $10 off coupon. So that's $11.61, solid deal there. And the Platinum newly released St. Helena's Queen's Virtue Victory coin is actually $11.60 with a $10 off coupon, making it $11.50, which is a phenomenal deal. For a limited release coin, this coin will not be released forever. They will release the next coin in the series. So if you were thinking about getting this for $11.50, that's really not going to be beat. Silver Gold Bull also has these half-ounce Royal Canadian Mint War of 1812 coins for a very, very reasonable premium. You're looking at about $5.85.52 per coin on this coin. And that adds up to about the same premium as a full ounce. So if you were looking at getting a fractional coin, this is not a bad buy. If you got 2 of these, you'd pay about the same price as a full ounce. Only these are fractionals, which usually have higher premiums, but Silver Gold Bull is offering a decent deal here. So with all that being said, guys, they also have 2021 Maple Leafs, 2021 Philharmonics, but those are not currently on sale, so I would highly suggest trying to pick up one of these sale items if you possibly can. But with all that being said, I appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out the video. Definitely a treacherous week in the world of precious metals as well as the stock market. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with future updates on my channel. Be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Where do you think the market is heading? What are your plans for the weekend? Are you planning on picking up and buying the dip on any of the metals? If so, let me know that down below. But with all that being said, guys, I appreciate y'all stopping by and look forward to seeing y'all in my future videos. So with all that being said, guys, until next time, we will see ya.